All right, so if you're using Perplexity AI, but the results aren't exactly what you want, maybe they're too basic, unclear, or just off, yeah, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your results step by step. First, quick idea. Most of the time, the issue isn't the AI, it's how you're using it. Start with this. Be specific. Add details like context, goals, or examples, so the AI understands exactly what you need. Next, tell it how you want the answer. For example, ask for a list, a guide, or step-by-step instructions. Don't stop at one question. Ask follow-ups to refine the result. This is where answers become much better. Use the right mode. Web mode is great for real-time info, while other modes work better for different tasks. Ask for sources if you need accuracy. This helps you verify and trust the information. For complex topics, break your question into smaller parts instead of asking everything at once. You can always ask it to improve, rewrite, or simplify the answer until it matches what you need. Don't overload your prompt with too many instructions. Keep it clean and focused. So yeah, better results come from better inputs. Once you understand this, Perplexity becomes way more powerful. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more smart guides coming soon.